All right, next we're gonna check out the Wortex with a W. Let's take a look at this one, 14C, 28N steel as well. Again, these are all highly recommendable budget EDC knives, especially if you can get them at a discount, like I said earlier. And what did they do with this one? Holy smokes, guys. Just like that black and blue carbon fiber there, looks nice. Check out this carbon fiber red luminous is what it's called here on the box. Red luminous carbon fiber recessed liners. We have this back spacer here, right? Steel back spacer, in case you were wondering, all blacked out, matching all the hardware. It looks like we have a two-tone blade, and bam, there it is. Look at that mean recurve geometry right there. Holy smokes, right? Kind of like a hawk's bill, right? Sort of geometry with the two-tone, right? You only got the black here on the, I want to say, flat grind, even though it feels like a hollow. Then you have the satin finish on the flat parts, back to black here on the switch on the top. So some people don't like the two-tone on the blades. I personally do not mind it at all. Right? It's a kind of like a breath of fresh air from time to time. And what's good about this one is you have the hole itself. You can spidey flick off of the hole as such, or you could reverse flick off of the middle finger as well. So that is nice to see. Now, the one thing I remember from doing the unboxing on the OG Wortex, we got a chance to check out here in the channel. I wish the knife was maybe a hair longer, maybe another inch longer or so, right? Some of the other models are a little bit longer. We'll do a side-by-side comparison here in a moment. And for this one to have such a mean recurve blade, right? It just kind of feels, again, it's in the medium category. It's not necessarily small, but it's not large, right, either, or extra large for that matter. So it's more in that medium category, but the action is great, it being a liner lock and all. It's a good action, right, nice and drop shotty, multiple deployment options here. The acoustics, take a listen. Right, that feels nice. And of course, I'm going to tell you that recurve geometry is going to be really, really good for trapping material. It's going to aid the cut. You can either use a little tip right there, pokey tip to, dive into the material or cut, puncture into the material. And then the recurve is going to trap the material more and more as you're going through the cut, make it perform even better. So that's good to see. And this luminous red carbon fiber, man, this looks really good, you guys, right? Let me get you a closer look. Kind of looks like lava, right? Like lava rock kind of cooling off or whatnot. That is really, really sweet. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.